Okay, so I'm back with my third Etsy collection. This one is called Adorable Halloween. It does have the purples in it, which the other ones did not. So this is 25 pieces here, and let me show you what I plan on adding to this one. So the first thing is this Majesty hook, eyes, and loop set. So I'm gonna put that there. That's bringing in some more of the green and kind of a different shade of green. Kind of matches more with maybe the pumpkin stems over here. Got another Halloween bag that I'm gonna tuck in. Got some pumpkin ribbon. I've got some war stamps here again. Got a tag. A black dash, I guess it is. I've got a flashcard that's got the number 13 on it. I've got a milk cap, vintage. A vintage Yahtzee sheet. I've got a craft envelope and a vintage envelope that's got a black border on it, and there's like some cursive on there. Okay, next I have a paper clip that's got orange yarn on it. I've got some wood veneers here. This one is a Happy Halloween wood veneer. This one says Trick or Treat. This is a witch's hat. I've got a vintage looking cat that is a cupcake topper. It's on a toothpick. I've got two of the seam bindings. I'm doing a purple and a green, and these are kind of a thicker one. So I'll add both of those. I've got some flashcards here, a 1 and a 3 for 31, or you could switch it out to do 13. I have a cat and some frogs. I've got some vintage paper here. This one is the Sears Roebuck replica catalog, again from 1902. This is just a replica of it though, but this has like arsenic complexion powder on it, herb laxative, worm cakes, a lot of crazy stuff on here. So there's that page. I've got a page from a vintage nursery rhyme and fairy tale book. So this is just why cats always wash themselves after eating, but it had the cat on it. This is a page from Better Homes and Gardens vintage cookbook. I have another flashcard here with a number 13 on it. And I've got 2 pieces of craft paper and 2 pieces of lined paper. And then I have a tag, actually 2 tags that are gonna go with this one that both say Spooktacular on them. Let me get this organized and I'll bring you guys through what you get in the collection. Okay guys, here's the full collection put together. I'll take you down through it. We have the seam binding here in purple and green. We've got the flashcards, some cut aparts from the Bouville collection. We have a luggage tag, some little spider stickers, the 2 vintage envelopes. Got a wood veneer, some chipboard pieces. We've got the vintage Sears Roebuck catalog page. We've got the nursery rhyme page and the recipe card. Got the 2 tags there, some more vintage flashcards, the Yahtzee card, some lined paper and craft paper, the war stamps, flashcards, hook and loop. We've got 2 straws and a sequin mix. Got some Halloween paper there in a 6x6 size. Here is some ephemera and chipboard stickers. Got guest checks, a milk bottle cap, a yarn paper clip, a felt bow, a bingo card, a wood veneer witch hat, some vintage flashcards, a vintage game piece, and some pumpkin ribbon. So that is it for this one. Again, this one is called Adorable Halloween. It's $15 in my Etsy shop with free shipping. I over doubled the size of the collection. It was 15 pieces or 25 pieces, and now it is 55 pieces. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.